Hi, Jared. I wanted to show you something really cool here. I think it would be a good idea if we have one project per week of onboarding. And if we divide those into sections showing the specific days. So if we have day one, and then day two, day three, day four, day five, day six, day seven, we can kind of break it down into what specifically needs to be done in chronicity. So starting at the top here, this would be the first thing chronologically, of course, that we need to get done is the payment needs to be received. And then we send out the welcome or introductory email. And any of these that are assigned to unique people or different people, like so according to our map here, if we have a certain person that's in charge of the welcome introduction email, let's say that's sales, then it'd be good for us to have a unique video showing just that specific topic so that, a nice little Loom Sana showing just that specific topic. That way we can assign this to a specific person. Let's say we assign it to me, for example. All I have to do is watch that Loom video to see what I need to do in order for me to check this one off. And so if you could show that process, that would be great. If you could make a Loom for each and every single one of these steps, showing here's how you send a welcome email, and here's what is going to be in our welcome email. And if you want to even put maybe the text of the welcome email in the description, that's fine. And then we could save it if it's me, then I can save that as a template, and then it could even so this is the email text here. There's it's copied there, and then how to save the email as a template, and then there's the link to that video. Right? So if that was a link, just plop the link right in there. So that would be really helpful. That way this assignee person can have everything that they need to be able to achieve this, and then they could watch you do it one time. So then if then maybe somebody else is in charge of this, Asana created and assigned to each team member. Let's see, Asana created and assigned, so this would be someone else. So this is the content manager. So the content manager, so that would be a whole different, so watch me perform this exact step right there, and then the link to how to do that, how to create this, have this Asana created and assigned to each team member. And you can include due dates also, with due dates. And then here I've got $1 million onboarding email sent out. So this would be, if we're going to assign somebody, we can assign the subtasks. So right here, assign this to a particular person. So if the CEO is going to be Bruce, we assign that to Bruce. And client manager, we assign that. So you get the idea what I'm saying here. Let's just unassign for a second. And that way there's a specific video for that specific person also. And what I was thinking is the email text is saved in your Gmail account, but a copy of each is also pasted below. So, and then you can do CEO email, and then that's that one, and then you could do client manager email. So this is all the specific text, and then down below you can have how to save the Gmail or save as template in Gmail. So that's and then the link right there. So so we can have all that we need within the emails that are going to be sent, just in case they don't, some reason. But then each of these individual people that are assigned can then come up if they really need to. They can just copy that email content there and email it, and then they can save that as a template. So then next time it could be just used as a template. And then the next person added client to Basecamp. So whoever's in charge of adding client to Basecamp. So right here, so that's yellow again. So the yellow would be the content manager. So again, you just put that specific added Basecamp, and then that'll have to be its own Loom video as well, Loom Sana. So that would be day one, if that's all it takes. Now, as we go through and think it more through and be a little bit more, like as we actually go through the process of performing these, we're going to find that there's other steps that we need. And so we'll just add it to it and then add it to our onboarding. I just put this word onboarding in here, the customer onboarding touch points. So week one, onboarding, and then day, so that was the day one, and then day two, likewise, day two we're going to have specific tasks in that same chronicity. So whatever happens on day two is what happens there. So anyways, I think you're really going to enjoy the way this is broken down. Yeah, let me know what you think. I think this will work really well. Let's give this a try, and we'll be all ready for onboarding this next week. If your business is already at 2.5 million or more, we invite you to check out our 10x Accelerator program at 10xflowseo.com, where we can work together to help you reach 50 million or over 100 million per year. If you're not yet at the 2.5 million per year, then feel free to like and subscribe to help keep applying all this video knowledge, our entire playbooks designed to help you get to 2.5 million per year for free.